So let's start graphing. Our equation that we will be working with is y is equal to negative 2x squared minus 8x minus 5. The first thing that we need to do is determine whether or not this parabola will open up or down. The way we determine this, we look towards the left of x squared. Since this value is negative, it's going to open down. So when you graph your parabola, it will be the sad face. The next thing we do is identify the values of a, b, and c. The way we do this, you look to the left of x squared to give you the a value. To the left of x squared, we have negative 2. To find your b value, you look to the left of x, and you have negative 8. And to find your c value, it's that number that remains. And in this case, we have negative 5. Step 2, we need to find the vertex. In order to find the x value of the vertex, we use x is equal to negative b over 2a. We have the values of b and a right above in step 1. So when I start working on this, have negative, my value of b in parentheses, and this is negative 8. I close my parentheses, over 2 times my value of a, which in this case, parentheses, negative 2. I multiply these from left to right. A negative times a negative gives me a positive 8 over 2 times negative 2, which is negative 4. When I divide these, a positive divided by a negative will give us a negative. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. So the x value of the vertex is negative 2. To find the value of y, we need to plug in the value of x into our equation. Our original equation is y is equal to negative 2x squared minus 8x minus 5. Now rewrite this without the x's. Y is equal to negative 2. Our value of x is negative 2. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in this negative 2. And since our value is being squared, we can't forget that. Minus 8 times our value of x, which is negative 2. Minus 5. I work with my exponents first. So I keep my negative 2. Negative 2 squared gives me positive 4. Negative 8 times negative 2 will give me positive 16 minus 5. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8 plus 16 minus 5. Negative 8 plus 16 is 8 minus 5, which equals 3. So our y value is 3. We can go ahead and write our vertex. For x, we have negative 2. For y, we have 3. And the way we determine our axis of symmetry, it's x equal, and it's the value of the x coordinate, which is negative 2.